Everybody. I wanted to make sure that we all get off on the correct team project effort. So, a couple of things that you might want to understand is that when you open up our course, you'll always see that there are announcements of what's happening, but the information needs to go to information. Once we click on information, you'll see that there's all sorts of pieces of information in here. The teamwork and collaboration is where you could click on this box. If you open this document, you will learn about all the different types of projects and what we're doing. There are 3 projects for this semester. The first team project is a pamphlet, brochure, some sort of way in which we're going to, or you could share the information about what the course work and program is about. So if you're a consortium member, it might be interesting to talk to people about what they need to do for the consortium and how they can get involved in the public health class. If you are a SUNY Orange student only, and you're not part of the consortium, you can talk about how you can dual major or how public health matches with everything. That's project number 1. Project number 2 is the project where you'll be taking a look at the leading causes of disease in America and across the world, and you will take a look at how you could do a public service announcement or PSA to help the greater public understand those leading indicators and how we can sort of make a dent. You may select one leading indicator, or you and your group may select a few of them. That'll be up to you. The third and final group project will be a case study. And that's where you'll get a case where you'll literally read it, and then using the tools that we've developed throughout the course, you will then follow the assessments and process to make sure that you come up with a plan of how you will address the situation in your case study. So those are the 3 projects. What was supposed to happen was within the first week of class, everybody was supposed to submit their leader application or their resume and state what one of those projects they would like to have been the director or leader of. So I've only received about half of the actual applications or resumes, and of the ones that I have received, only 2 have a preference of what part or what project they would like to lead. So because of the way the class is rolling through and time is of the essence, I've assigned everybody to a group. You can find out who your group is by coming over here and clicking on group. So we have teams. All of the teams have been set up with 3 people in them. The 3 of you will have to make a decision about who will lead each project. As the project leader, you will be the person to sort of record the data, what's happening, what's going on, and you will be the person who is responsible for finally submitting it. Now, what will happen is that you will get graded on your ability to lead, as it is one of the course learning outcomes, is your ability to lead a group through a project. So I will be part of that grade, as will the other teammates be a part of that grade. At the same time, as the team leader, you will get to critique, analyze, evaluate your teammates. Now, from what I'm understanding, and I'm getting several calls, messages, and emails regarding my group has not contacted me, my group has not contacted me. So last week I put an assignment up, or announcement up saying your groups are ready, please go in. So if this just happens to be your first group, and I'm just using this as an example, if I come here, those are who your group members are, and here's all the tools that you can use. So you can go in and send an email just to your group. You can begin a discussion board. You can do a blog. You can share files. You can have a journal. I would love to be able to see journals of your meetings and what's happening. What I would encourage each of you to do is email your group and make sure that everything is on point. Your first assignment is due next week, and that is your actual idea of what's happening, how you're going to do it, and the mock up of whether it's going to be a PowerPoint presentation or a brochure or a poster. What is it that your group is going to do to get the word out? Who's going to be your leader? So if you could get me that information, that would be fabulous. Just to be sure that you're understanding, if we take a look at the tools button, you will see that you have several tools here that you're having access to. One of the things that I'm going to be doing this Sunday night from 8 to 9 p.m. is hosting a Collaborate conference, and it's a video conferencing system. And so you can log on to this and you will be able to see. Once you click on there, you will see that there's a public room for us to have intro to public health. Here's my own individual room, and each of you will have a room that you can invite guests to, add links, do different things. And then you can create a session. I have created a session and you will be able to see this. This session, at this point in time, you will be able to log into your session up to 15 minutes early, and you will be able to answer, or I'll be able to answer any questions or make sure that we're all on the right page. So again, yours may not look exactly like this screenshot because this is from the instructor's screenshot, but you will have access to this through, again, your tools button. I'll show you. Go to tools and go to Blackboard Collaborate and you will see our session. Okay, I hope that's helpful. And again, I want to be sure everyone understands that you're not required to attend the session. It is only there as help. All right, have a great day. Talk to you soon.